First line. My favorite cartoon is Doraemon. Second line. It is a very popular and funny cartoon show. Third line. The main character, Doraemon, is a robot cat from the future. Fourth line. He helps a boy named Nobita Nobi. Fifth line. Doraemon has many amazing gadgets from the future. Sixth line. These gadgets solve Nobita's problems in interesting ways. Seventh line. I love this cartoon because it is full of fun and adventure. Eighth line. It also teaches good lessons about friendship and honesty. Ninth line. I enjoy watching it with my family and friends. 10th line. Doraemon is the best cartoon and makes me very happy.